with my son. This isn't really that big. I mean, compared to how... this is our third day here in South Korea, Seoul. And today we're going to Gangnam. They say Gangnam is like Orchard, Singapore. We are here at Hong-Ik University Station, which is in the Green Line. Tapos pumunta na kami Gangnam. Isang lang naman. Same Green Line. Pero it's about 38 minutes, I think, going there. Ito yan, guys. So, dito kami sa Hong-Ik University, right? Tapos, this is the Green Line. Then we're going down to Gangnam. See? That's where Gangnam is. Okay. So we just reached Gangnam. So where are we now? See, guys? I'm so hungry already. I want to eat. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Galaxy S25. Wow, this is nice. See? Oh, Seoul Fashion Week. Wow. What's this? Parnas. Grabe, ang galing. Amazing. See, oh. This is Parnas Mall. Okay. See, that's Glass Tower. We have your Sheila Stay, Park Hyatt, Starfield Mall. Brilliant. Galing, grabe. Ay, nagutom na kami. Napakain tuloy kami dito sa McDonald's. Dito lang sa labas nung kaninang video na pinakita ko sa inyo dito sa Gangnam right after you come out of the station. Then there's like McDonald's before you even enter the mall. So dito lang kami. Also, it's very cold. It's very cold outside. And then, kain na lang muna kami dito sa McDonald's. I also have this. So I'll show you what we ordered. They have kind of different choices here. So they have this chocolate churros. See? Where? Chocolate. Oh, pumakita. Okay, see? Chocolate. There. Yeah. And then, I also ordered, is this bulgogi burger? Whose is this? They have bulgogi burger. Whatever that is. And then I have double quarter pounder with cheese. Double cheesy jalapeno bacon. Quarter pounder cheese. Oh, okay. Okay. So you're supposed to shave the churros inside with this. Bigay sila nito cinnamon sugar. We're going to Starfield Library. I'm sure all of you who are like K-drama fans or who love to travel to Korea know what we are talking about. It's a famous library here in Korea. It's called Starfield Library. So we're already here at Starfield Mall. After kumain kami ng McDonald's, tapos papunta na kami. Hinahanap lang namin kung nasan siya. Okay? Ganda dito. Sobra. Such a nice place. Wait, let me show you now where we are. Wow! Ganda. Nice. Ano sabi mo?
Feeling fresh.
Feeling fresh. Feeling fresh. You see it already? Oh, you know. Yeah, we can see the books. We can see the books already. Yeah. And so that's the Starfield Library. See? Hindi naman pa. Ano ba yan? May pababa, pa-basement? Okay.
Hindi ko alam.
Kasi parang hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. Itong building lang na to, di ba? Nice. Brilliant. Oh, this is Grand Intercontinental Seoul Parnas. Beautiful, beautiful. See? Yan pala yun. Billy Angel Cake Company.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, the smell. What?
Wow.
Wow, they still have a Christmas tree inside. How come? What? You notice?
Kunan mo yan, taas na yan.
Ano? There, Starfield. Starfield, what's that? Coex Mall?
Mall library.
Okay. Are we allowed to? I mean, is it okay to take video here? Wow, so beautiful. Wow, brilliant. See, oh. There, oh. Ba't parang... See? See, galing, no? So that's the famous library. Galing. Galing. Maingay nga lang, no? It's not a typical library. Because it's noisy. So ayan guys, so actually, when you're down here, the place isn't really that big. I mean, compared to how we saw it last time in the movies or like in soap operas like that, in K-dramas. It appeared so much bigger. But then now, it isn't. It's just actually this floor. There lang, just here. Just there. Yan lang, whatever you're seeing, that's it. And just right outside this library is the mall already. It's connected to the mall. So let's go around and explore this place. Let's start where? Here? Let's start here. So guys, ayun o. That's the entrance to the library. Tapos nun, just right outside is the mall. We're here outside the mall where we were in a while ago. And we are here. I don't know what street this is, but this is nice. See all those buildings. Katuwa, ha? Nice, beautiful. Okay. Let's go. I'm guessing they're also showing some 3D stuff there. I'm just guessing. Wow. Loving this place so far. And then this is Hyundai building. Ito kami sa loob ng Hyundai building. Mall pala siya. Gentle Monster o Gabo. Let's see the one that I like here. Pag ano, pag parang Gotham. Pag autumn maganda yan. Winter eh. But anyway, this area, I was telling them, reminds me of Shanghai because of the color of the buildings. However, judging from this first-hand experience, I think Shanghai is even better, of course, in terms of the architecture. Actually, mas more like offices yung mga nandito, CBD area lang, hindi naman talaga malls. Except for that, the first area we were in a while ago. Pero now that medyo malayo-layo na nalalakad namin, we've walked for probably almost like 2 kilometers, not really, between 1 and 2 kilometers. And all that we are seeing are just office buildings and not really malls. Ayan siya. Just ganyan lang. Para lang nasa Makati, Philippines. Ganon. It's just that it's, of course, it's very cold here. Saka bakit yung mga Dunkin Donuts dito, mga ano, no? The Dunkin Donuts shops here are classy looking. See? Like that. See? The one in the corner. Diba? Pero yung mga ganitong eskinita nila, oh. See that? Para ka lang nasa Makati. Oh yeah, they have one collector. Ayaw muna namin mag-bus kasi pumunta kami nung Gangnam. Sinasabi ng wife ko na sa Gangnam na may kamay, whatever it is. So, medyo mahaba pa kasi. Yun pa yun. Medyo pagod na itong kasama ko. She's tired already. She wants to take the bus. Ito, there are buses here. Ayan o. Baka naman natin dadaan doon. The problem is, guys, there are hardly any English equivalents. And guys, nakasakay kami ng bus. What bus number is this, Gabe? 360. Wow. Just like in the K-dramas. Ano, nasasabi ko. Nasa K-drama.
Yes.
She specifically wants to experience taking a bus ride here in Korea. Kaya ito. Well, apparently inside the bus it's hot. You have a heater here. Alam nyo guys, yung pinakamarami dito. Napansin namin, no? Napakadaming Starbucks dito. Kasi natin, in every corner you see a Starbucks. Grabe kadami. Okay, baba na kami. Right, let's go. Okay, that was a nice experience. See? See? It's a nice experience. It was just a straight route. Kasi nga mahaba eh. The distance is quite long, so you're forced to just take the bus. What is this place? It's called Gangnam, right? Where did we alight a while ago? What station was it? Huh? Samsung? Can you give me nga? My lips are also like dry.
Not so much.
And painful.
It's very oily.
And also, you know what, guys? This is not really overacting or exaggeration, but you really need lip gloss here. My lips are already like chapping. Ang sakit, ang hapde. So I'm forced to use this, and I don't use lip gloss at all. So I was asking my son a while ago how to use this. Anyway, I love Gangnam. Gangnam Style. Is that the one? So this is the one that they're calling the Orchard of Korea, but Seoul, Korea. I mean Seoul, not the other place where we were a while ago. Ano? Kasi Gabe. And ito ang Gangnam. So there's a, you know, I thought we alighted a while ago at Gangnam Station. This is Gangnam Station. So a while ago, ano yung station na pinagbaba natin? It wasn't Gangnam. Ano yun? So ito yung kanilang, ha? Yeah, so a while ago we alighted at Samseong. Samseong. Not Gangnam. Yeah, so Samseong is where, yeah, you saw it, the library is. Okay? Then Gangnam is this. Yan. Panay shopping malls nga. Okay? Dami, no? You know, New Balance. Muji. Separate buildings. Separate Muji buildings. So why don't we have our picture taken somewhere here in the middle?
Sa kamay nga, mamaya.
Ano ba meron nga doon sa kamay na yun?
Puntahan eh.
Ha?
Kulay gold siya, tapos nakagang ng style na gano'n. Okay, puntahan.
Gano'ng kalaki? Gano'ng kalaki yung kamay na yun? Ay nako guys, so we were wrong again. We went here thinking that, you know, this famous Gangnam hand, we don't know what that is, but it's colored gold and huge. We thought it was here in this station. It turns out that it's actually there in the previous station we were in a while ago. Pabalik-balik na lang kami. Mamaya na yun. But I noticed here in Korea, there are a lot of roads like this. Steep roads. No? Daming steep roads dito. Oh, ano to? What's this? Magic University. What? Galaxy S25 series. We also have a double-decker bus naman here. You know? See, oh. The queue is long, guys. See? Haba ng mga pilahan dito sa bus nila. See that? I wanted to show you guys this cafe. It's called Stuleju. And the reason why I'm showing this is because the only coffee shop like that I've seen was in the Philippines. I'm surprised to see a Stuleju cafe here in Korea. Let's go to the other side of the street and there's a Zara there. I'm also seeing like this Frank Provo parlor, also another one that we usually see in the Philippines only. Okay, it's interesting. Okay, so this is Gangnam Street. There, Gangnam Street. Ito, Zara. Okay. Pasyalan nga natin. They have like clothes that we don't usually see in Singapore. Come. So ito guys, nabudol tayo. I found a jacket that I like. I'll show you. Ayan. Ganda ba? It's nice. I like it. It's about it says 139,000 won or roughly around 139 SGD. Okay, oops, wait. So, saan naman tayo ngayon, guys? We're going to Itaewon. Okay. Dito naman tayong Itaewon. Wait, ayun yung magpa-picture tayo dito ng group. Where's Itaewon? Where are we first?
Record pa.
There, and then going to Itaewon is brown.
Yeah.
Oh, so green, from green, orange, and then Itaewon. We are now at this station, Sinonion, because we came from Gangnam, and then we just while walking until we reached this MRT station, and we're going to Itaewon. Anyway, this MRT station is so much like Singapore's MRT station. It's very nice. Just like we're back in Singapore, but it's cold. It's awesome. Okay. Let's see inside. Okay, so ito ang kanilang MRT. Welcome to Itaewon. Tara! So what's this place famous for? Bars? Nightlife? Is it like that? The Stampede issue last time. It was here during the Halloween. But anyway, reminds me of what? Reminds me of Clarke Quay. Wow, see the map, oh. See. Grabe. Saan tayo kanina? Where's Hongdae kaya?
There.
Oh, Hong-Ik University.
Yeah.
Oh, and then now we are... Huh? Like that? Okay. Oh, nice. I show mommy, oh. This is Hong-Ik University. Tama ba? And then now we are at Itaewon. A while ago we were at Gangnam. Tapos, we are here, that red mark. And then we are going to Itaewon Market. So it should be exit 6. Sorry, exit 4 or 1. Right? But guys, fortunately there's an escalator, see? Just imagine, without this, because most of the stations here don't have escalators. Dahil taas ang aakatin mo. You'll be climbing up this high staircase. No way, no way, no way. By the way, my in-laws, they went to the zoo. Sa zoo pa ba sila? They went to the zoo, but we're not really interested to go to the zoo. So that's why we opted to what they call that, separate and visit these places instead. So we are now at Itaewon. Let me show you. To show you Itaewon. There. This is Itaewon. Okay. So, ito na. Saan tayo punta? See all these shops, bars. That's what this place is famous for. See the signage there. It says what's that? Not crowded. Yeah, the situation there. It isn't crowded. So we believe that this is where the stampede happened several years ago. Okay, this narrow road here, pathway. Okay.
Luwag-luwag yan, nagka-stampede din.
Ayan, see those bars? Parang dumi, no? The ground is kind of dirty.
Hindi masyado.
No, because we're...
Nasa na kasi yung mga nagyayon. Dapat na yata.
Itaewon.
Sabado rito, marami tayo.
Oh. Grabe. Seafood. Oh, Piggy Pizza. What's that? See, the original pancake house. Wow. Is that the one like in the Philippines, Gab? See? Wait. See that, guys? The original pancake house. Wow. Okay dito, ha? See? This is another bar. Wow, puros bars talaga, oh. So many bars in here. Nice. See, another Mexican restaurant, oh. Okay dito. Okay yung dito, ha. Okay nightlife dito. See that, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun din, oh. Sa baba, oh. See. Many people down there. Saan? Alin? Itaewon Pub. Bakit anong meron dyan?
Pangalan.
No wonder talagang magkakastampede ka dito kapag ano, no? Pagpunuan. No?
Oo na, pag Halloween puno.
Yeah, because during the Halloween period, this area is really jam-packed. Galing, no? Itaewon. Mahalo. Exotic cocktails and... What's that? Pupus? Exotic cocktails and pupus. Tawa naman yun. So what else do they have? This is a dead end. I mean, for this street. Then down there, the main road. While up here, so I believe we still can go up there and many bars or restaurants. I mean, where do you want to eat? What time is it?
40 to 6.
40 to 6. Oh yeah. So conclusion for our dinner tonight. Dito lang daw sa Tapas Bar. Ito yung mga anak ko dito sa Tapas Bar. Saka hindi siya masyadong kamahalan. So let's try it. Here it is. Okay, go. Okay. Okay. Here? Okay, so naman mga order dito, tinagyan natin. Winter special. Oh, these are the drinks. See the bottle of wine, no? Only 21 SGD. It's kind of cheap here. I like it here. Ayan, ang mga order. Parang hindi masyado ako busog. Gutom eh.
Ako gutom na.
Parang okay lang ako sa pizza. Ayan o, saka yung Iberico. Yung may bread. Ayan, dumating na yung pizza. Ang liit-liit lang naman pala yan. Ha? Mini pizza. Man yung eggplant fries. Parang kami mabibitin sa mga in-order namin. Kanina ang liit-liit lang ng pizza. Dalawang ganon. Na maliliit. What about this? Sige nga. Sarap ha. Parang ano, banana Q. Diba? This is mussel. Ay, pala hindi mussels. Scallops. Okay, order kami ng scallops. So, medyo malaki-laki ng konti. Masarap din yung ano, masarap talaga tong eggplant na to. This one is nice. Kanyang chicken stew. Okay yan for ano. Okay din siya for sharing. Marami kayong in-order. Hindi kami ng paella. Pero so thin. Let's see. Let's taste how it, let's see how it tastes like. Sana naman masarap. Okay, you try it na. Okay, so what can we say? Is it worth it? Eat there? Not really. I mean, it's good to hang out there with your friends, drink and all that because it's quite cheap. I mean, like a glass of wine is about $5 to $6 and then a bottle of it, the cheapest one that I saw is about 20 Singapore dollars. And the beer also is not so expensive. I think it's about, how much was your beer, right Joe?
$5.
About $5. But the food is not so expensive, but the serving size is small. The taste is okay, but the serving size is small. So I'm not quite satisfied. So fast forward to Thursday, guys. So because we're back here at Samsung Station, you know, when we were here last few days back, we didn't see the Gangnam Style hand. Yeah, we were here on Sunday. You were here on Sunday. And then we missed seeing the Gangnam Style hand. We thought it was at Gangnam Station, and we were wrong. It's actually here at Samsung, where the National Library is. So that Starfield Library, I mean not National Library, the Starfield Library is just behind me. And then we're going to the Gangnam Style hand, and it should be here. Okay, so my wife and my eldest son Gabe, they went instead to the BTS tour. Okay, so we didn't want to go there. I mean, I'm not a BTS fan. My wife is, so we separated. Later we will meet up to go to the tower, Seoul Tower. But for my youngest son and I, we're looking for that Gangnam Style hand. Later we'll meet up at Myeongdong. Okay, so there it is. Found it. This is the COEX Mall. Later we go inside this mall, whatever it is. Here it is. Here's the Gangnam Style hand. So it's just right in front of Starfield COEX Mall. This is Starfield COEX Mall. And this is the Gangnam Style hand. It's quite funny here. We missed seeing it on Sunday. Okay, there. They're even playing the song. Okay, so this is the one. There. See? What does it say here? Overview of Gangnam Style sculpture. The material, it's made of bronze. Oh, really? Installation date April 15, 2016. Artist is Hwang Man-seok. Okay. It's a description. The sculpture imitates the wrist motion of the dynamic horse dance that appears in the music video of Psy's Gangnam Style. Viewed from the top, the two hands seem as if they are embracing the earth. Released on YouTube in July 2012, Gangnam Style drove pop music fans all over the world into wild excitement and broke the records for most views and likes. Okay, let's play it. There. Sorry. Selfie muna. Okay, let's have our pictures taken there. That's the hand, and I'm with my son. Okay. Just here, Gangnam Style hand. I want to see what's inside. I want to see. See? Gangnam Style hand. Nice. So, I think I like my picture here, son. Gab. Right, Joe. See here. See around. This is behind. That's the hand. The wrist. Yeah, here. There. Okay, let's go inside this Starfield COEX Mall. Lamig na sobra. Lamig na sobra dito sa labas. Okay, so let's go inside first. It says here Starfield COEX Mall. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Wow, what a relief, guys. What a relief. Oh my goodness, that was really cold. It was really cold there. Okay, so this is a mall. Are you hungry already?
Yeah.
Okay, let's look for a nice place to stay first. Have coffee, tea, or some some light snacks, some snacks. Okay, see Jamba Juice. Oh, okay. Under Armour. Let's go on to Under Armour. We've not been here before, or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's go first. Just finished having like late lunch at KFC. Now we're on our way to Gangnam Station again. But anyway, what I just want to tell you is for you guys out there who want to go to malls or places like, the likes of Orchard MRT or City Hall MRT in Singapore, where you'll see lots of connected malls underneath, right? Then this is a good place for you to try. Anyway, nagpapalamig lang kami dito sa labas. Ito naman kami ngayon nagpapalamig because inside the malls, it was kind of hot and stuffy. Dali lang. This is the background. Chanel.